I have on a beautiful light red wig today, and you'd probably hardly ever see me in a red, right? But I'm telling you what, I wore red back 39 years ago or so, back in my 30s, and I loved coloring my hair red and auburn. It was just, I went through that phase. I went through that phase before wigs were my thing until like 4 years ago, where I colored my hair every color. One time I processed it too much and it was green. So I've had green too. Okay, but see this? Now I changed my hair color. How many of you know what I'm talking about in the comments that you went premature early? I was late 20s when I started going all white, and I had to start coloring. So that's when I started trying different colors. And I would actually have a white band within 3 weeks growing around my face, showing, and down the part wherever I parted it. So it wasn't fun. Every 3 weeks of hair color and processing, not healthy for you either. I don't think it's really healthy. So during, like everybody else, a few years ago when we couldn't go to a salon any longer, I started actually deciding I'm going to grow my hair out, and I grew it out white. And I haven't been sad that I did, but then also lost a lot of my hair on top and started getting balding and thin, and well, wigs became a jam. They just did. And so now, and after starting to wear wigs, it was difficult in the beginning. I understand and I hear you. It was very hard. I grieved over my hair. I felt like I'd never be me again. And then when I decided to jump into the world of wigs, and I got accustomed, I learned how to adapt to them and their looks, I just fell in love. So that young woman that used to color her hair every different color every 2 months, well, guess what? I can now do that again. I can wear a different wig, a different color every day if I want to, and I just don't want to turn back. So for me, I'm not going back. If my hair all grew back in tomorrow and was thick and luscious, I'm telling you, I love the way that a wig gives me confidence. I love the fact that I'm out the door ready. I love the fact that just I can have it a pixie, I can have it long and glamorous, whatever the mood sways me. So just like you like to wear different outfits for elegance, glamour, casual, sporty, daytime, work, that you can do that all with a wig. And it's going to be fast and easy. You're going to be out the door. It's going to make your life a little less stressful. I promise you. Once you get used to the wigs, you will become so accustomed to having beautiful hair in 30 seconds. So that's what I'm talking about. When you're putting a wig on, whether you wear a wig grip or not, just comb your hair back, put it up, put it in however length of hair you is. Grab you a darling wig like this. You grab the back, pop your head in, put it on your forehead where it looks best for you, and grab the ear tabs, straighten it where it's even, and look, finger combing, just like that. My hair's done, no blowouts, no rollers, no curling irons, no product, all of that jazz. I am ready to go out the door. That's how cute, that's how wonderful these wigs are. So I think this is great. But because this one is called Jagger, it's from Estetica. And you can see here, it's a beautiful, they call this red they call it R30 2826. It's a medium auburn, light auburn, golden blonde blend. And you can see all of those colors in there with low and highlights. It's just beautiful. And I just think it looks great on a lot of complexions. It's just very, I don't know, it's just, I love it. I just love it. Okay, but it comes in a lot of other colors. It's gray. So my gray ladies and silver ladies out there, there's kind of a chrome that's black and white, silver. There's a silver mix, but you have rooted and non-rooted. This is a non-rooted. So absolutely beautiful. Let's turn around. I love the stacked bob. I really like that in the back, where you get that stacked in the back. I just think it's a beautiful angle and very flattering to the face and to my jawline, chin line. I like that. Okay, so yeah, so what it has, other features are, it has the mono side part. You have the beautiful hairline that just melts into your skin. And just like that, no one's going to know you're wearing a wig. No one's going to ask. This is a great length if you're wearing a scarf in the winter, a big heavy coat up around your neck, or in the summer. It's a great length year-round to be able to do all those things with. And I just love it. The fibers on this is a heat-friendly synthetic. So you're not going to have to worry about this getting frizzing on the bottom because it's not going to rub against anything. So you're not going to get the corkscrew tangling or on the nape of the neck. So that's great while it's short. And what I also like about the high heat friendly is the fibers. They're not as shining and look very much natural. So you don't have to do a lot of dry shampoo on them to just look natural right out of the box. So Estetica, this is beautiful. I love it. It's called Jagger, Jagger, Jagger. And I'm going to leave links below if you're on YouTube. And if you're seeing this anywhere else, just DM me and say, can I have the link to that wig? And I think you'll love it. Check out all the different colors that it comes in. And she's a winner. I'll see you, my friends, in the next video. Do my darlings. Bye.